So I've tried to improve my tomatoes. The first time I've grown tomatoes, so I'm not too sure what I'm doing. So if you do have any tips, please leave them in the comments. That'd be very handy. I just feel like it's far too busy, maybe too crowded. There is some tomatoes growing, but not many. I think maybe I need to remove some plants or cut off a load of leaves, maybe. I'm not sure, but let me know in the comments what you think I should do. To follow is the time lapse to show you what it was like before and what it's like now, but it still needs some improvement.